Today we're walking through every step to a proper hand wash, and stay tuned to the end because we're going to be showing you guys which one of these chemical guys soaps is going to be the best one for your ride. The first thing that you're going to want to do is gather all your supplies. So we're going to go ahead and grab our 2 buckets, we're going to fill them up with water, and we're going to insert our cyclone dirt traps. We're also going to grab one of our chenille microfiber wash mitts, and this is completely optional. If you have a foam cannon, grab that too. The reason that we have 2 different buckets is to conduct the 2-bucket method. The 2-bucket method is a filtered wash process for your car wash. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have one that's filled with fresh, clean water and one that's filled with your soap. So the idea would be after every panel, you're gonna grab your wash mitt, wash out your wash mitt, and then you're gonna wring it out, grab some more suds, and continue washing your car. This is gonna filter out any kind of abrasive particles on your wash mitt so you're not scratching your paint. The dirt traps also assist us by keeping all the dirt and grime locked in at the bottom of your bucket so that way it doesn't resurface. The first thing when it comes to any wash is you want to go and start off by rinsing off your vehicle. Now, rinsing off your vehicle is actually a crucial step because that's going to help you eliminate a lot of the loose dirt and grime that's sitting on the surface of your ride. By doing this step, you're greatly reducing the chance of scratching your paint during the wash process. To rinse your car, simply grab your garden hose or your pressure washer gun, start rinsing it from top to bottom. Alright guys, so at this point in time, we just finished rinsing off the vehicle and now it's time to get into the wash. At this point in time, we're going to activate the suds. And we can grab our wash mitt and start wiping the vehicle down. If you want to elevate your wash experience, now would be the time that you connect your foam cannon. Using a foam cannon is completely optional, but this will provide more suds, more lubrication, and just an all-around much more fun wash experience. Oh, look at those suds! So now that you're done foaming your vehicle, what you're going to do now is grab your chenille microfiber wash mitt, and then you're going to go and slide your hand right inside the glove, and then simply grab some suds, and start wiping down your vehicle from top to bottom. Whenever it comes to wiping your vehicle, always stroke in straight lines, never in a circular motion, because if you do get anything caught on your wash mitt and you start doing that circular motion, that's how you get swirl marks. Once you're done doing a small section, what you're gonna do is come back to your 2-bucket method. And as mentioned, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your wash mitt and you're gonna scrub it against the dirt trap sitting at the base of your bucket in your rinse bucket. So you're gonna go ahead and scrub the wash mitt against that. And that's going to actively loosen any kind of dirt or grime that's stuck within the noodles of your wash mitt and filter it through that dirt trap. That way it keeps it at the bottom, allowing it not to resurface. So that way you don't scratch up your paint whenever it comes to wiping down your ride. Once you do that a couple times, just go ahead and wring it out outside of the bucket. And then make sure to inspect your wash mitt before you grab more suds and start wiping down the rest of your vehicle. So make sure that there's no rocks, no twigs, any kind of debris or grime on your wash mitt. When the coast is clear, just grab some more suds and continue wiping down the rest of your car. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the rest of the vehicle. We're gonna rinse it off, and then we're gonna show you guys the final results. Now that you're all done rinsing off the soap from your vehicle, all you have to do now is dry it. We recommend going with the high quality microfiber drying towel like our Megalodon Twisted Loop drying towel, which is especially great for drying your vehicle. This thing is massive, it's super plush, and it's a twisted loop technology. So these microfiber strands, they're super absorbent, super soft, and gonna soak up every last ounce of water sitting on your ride for that perfect streak-free finish. And whenever it comes to drying, all you have to do is simply set it down, and you can either blot it out, or what I like to do is just drag it. Simply just drag it down the vehicle, and just like that, you've got yourself a beautifully dry vehicle. And just go ahead and repeat this step throughout the entire of the rest of the vehicle, and just like that, your car will be brand new all over again. All right, guys, now that we're all done washing the vehicle, as promised, now we're gonna help you decide which one's gonna be the best soap for your ride. First and foremost, the soap that you cannot ever go wrong with is gonna be our Mr. Pink Super Suds and Car Wash Soap. This right here is an everyday essential. So whether you're doing a regular wash or a full-fledged detail, this right here is gonna be a great soap to go with because it is pH neutral, so it's not gonna strip away any kind of protective coatings like waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. On top of that, it foams up great, it smells even better, and it has super slick suds that's not gonna allow you to scratch your paint. Now it's time to move on to our snow foams. This is gonna provide the most suds possible. So this is gonna go out to all of our foam cannon connoisseurs or foam blasters too. Now, when it comes to honeydew snow foam, there is also different types of snow foam, such as our watermelon snow foam, if you have our limited edition blueberry snow foam, and products like our sticky snowball, which are all meant to give you the most thickest suds possible. Moving on, we got our wash and waxes. Now, wash and wax soaps are great because they allow you to do 2 jobs at once, which is washing your car and waxing your car. So if you love shine and protection, these are it. Now, the category is wash and wax. So we have products like our Supreme Wash and Wax. We also have soaps like our Extreme Body Wash and Wax, which has 2 different types of wax. And we also have our Mr. Pink Foam Party, which also does have a wax within it. Moving forward, we have our ceramic soaps, aka our HydroSuds ceramic car wash soap. Now, this soap right here is ideal for anyone that has a ceramic coating, or even if you don't have a ceramic coating. This is still gonna allow you to provide your ride with that beautiful ceramic shine and protection that you know and love from ceramic coatings, all within a simple wash. Moving forward, we have our high gloss soaps. Now, these are ideal for anyone that just wants to maintain any kind of existing wax, sealant, or glaze on their vehicle. So our VO7 High Gloss Car Wash Soap is a perfect example of that, because this right here, it's gonna kind of take you a step up from your traditional car wash soap. Now this, because it does have synthetic gloss enhancers within it, this is gonna enhance any kind of characteristics that you have from any kind of waxes, sealants, or glazes on your paintwork. And because it's pH neutral, it's not gonna strip away any kind of protectants you have on your ride. And completely opposite to that, maybe you have a matte paint finish, we've got you covered with our Meticulous Matte Auto Wash. Now this right here is a specialty soap designed for matte or satin finishes, whether it's painted or wrapped. This right here is gonna be the perfect option for you because it has no synthetic gloss enhancers, no wax, no nothing in it. All it does is clean your vehicle without adding any kind of unwanted gloss or shine, leaving your matte looking matte and your satin looking satin. And last but not least, you have your surface prep soap like our Clean Slate Wash. Now this right here is going to be especially great for anyone that just wants a fresh start. Our Clean Slate Wash strips away any kind of waxes, glazes, and sealants sitting on your vehicle. Now, why would you want to do that in the first place, right? Well, the main reason why you would want to do that is if you are planning to apply a fresh coat of wax, sealant, ceramic, or glaze to your vehicle. This is going to ensure that there's absolutely nothing as far as like oils sitting on your vehicle's paintwork that's going to interfere with the bond of any kind of application of protection that you apply to your vehicle. All right, guys, and there you have it. That's been your official crash course here at Chemical Guys on the proper steps for washing your car. And now you know which soap is right for your ride. So comment down below right now, which one of these soaps are you going with? And make sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss out any kind of future videos like this one here. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time. Walking to a bush.